Shout out to everyone here. I just got to go to the bathroom really bad. I got to go pee. Got to take a pee-pee. It happens, man. It happens. This is live. This is real life. This is real life every single day. Shout out Timed Out. Good morning. Come on, man. I'm not promoting a shitcoin. I mean, I'm telling you that something 100x on MemePad. MemePad is actually a real project that I think actually could go places. I don't know. I'm just talking about MemePad. I'm not trying to shill an SHID coin. I'm just trying to let you know what happened in the market yesterday. Despite how nasty it was, something still did 100x, which is kind of crazy, which I think is kind of absurd, honestly. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, man. Guys, I really appreciate you guys being here, and we're gonna kick it. We're gonna rock it. We're gonna have a great day. It's a beautiful day here on the East Coast. I wish I was on the West Coast. And we got a beautiful breeze going right now. Hanging out. Beautiful day here on the East Coast. Levels sound great. Audio looks good. Everything looks nice. Good afternoon from Germany. Good morning from Brazil. Shout out to everyone. Good morning, man. Shout out to everyone here. Sean, morning, fam, and Sam. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Go Bruins, baby. The Bruins ready to rock out, man. Binance is asking me to take a quiz. Yeah, that means you're getting into leverage trading. I don't know. I think you should chill off. Babooey. Shout out to Aaron Oder, my dude. You know, Lifer's gonna want them likes up. Let's go, people. Man, wakes up every morning to give us vital information. Please show the man some love. Shout out to Mike Jordan, man. Shout out to Martis Malloy. Hey, Lifer, say thanks again for the tutoring session you gave me. So much to back test and think about today. You're a great teacher, bro. Much love, brother. Shout out to Martis Malloy, man. Thank you very much. Your Lifer, yesterday's stream was so dope. Very informative. Good job, Sam. KuCoin from my vaccine and watching Lifer. Great day. Hey, I hope everything works out for you. I didn't mean that type. Meant to say you're the GOAT crypto channel. Thank you very much, man. Tits. Yeah, YouTube's been extra sensitive lately, you know. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Much respect to everyone here. I just got to go pee really bad. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Don't forget to wash them hands. Nah, I just pee on them, man. You know what I'm saying? The ammonia in there kills all the germs, man. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me. And that's what? It's your time, guys. It's your time. It's all we got in this world. It's all we got in this life. It's all we can do to make what we have happen. So check it out. Nobody cares, man. COVID is realer than a Gucci bag from Chinatown. NYC, oh man. That 8 sure looks better than 7.91 to Infinity and beyond, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Shout out to everyone here. Much respect to everybody. Thank you so much for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me. We're going to keep it rocking and rolling. This camera makes me look funny. Honestly, I'm going to get a new camera. Changing it up today, man. I'm going to Best Buy. I'm getting the things I need. And we're going to have a great day. Thanks for everyone here on the live. Let's get the likes up, man. Thank you. Shout out to Jay, man. Kicking it with Jay Colburn, man. My dude, man. Hope everything's going well for everybody. So I was taking a look at Bitcoin, right? And I said, you know, I saw this trend line. I do watch the BitcoinFundManager.com. I've been watching for a long time. And he did put my eye. You know what? That is a trend line that we're seeing here. Respect, break. You know, trend. There's many vertical trends throughout Bitcoin in the space. Don't forget to smash that like button. Already kicking out haters before the stream even started. COVID is realer than a Gucci bag. Panic sold my cake. Should I buy my precious cake back or look for another opportunity? Where did you panic sell it and why? And when? And at what price? Sounds like $10, $12 a cake. So look, I mean, Bitcoin down, up. It's going to come up. Probably hit this line here. Play with 41K. So this is what could happen. It really didn't touch the top trend line, see? Unless we shrink. I kind of want to... Let me see here. I was having fun, I mean, so to speak. I was playing with this trend line last night and just kind of seeing what I saw. Seeing what I sees in the trends there's. Could it be that? Yeah, it doesn't make sense that I've never seen it that sharp. That would be a weird trend. Anything is possible. So I see something like this kind of. Okay. Up, down, up. Coming back down. I mean, that's the channel. Otherwise, we could break out. Now, we have strong bullish divergence, which normally I would say, hey, let's long right here and go for the gusto. Normally, that's what I would do. They got me kind of, you know, thinking about a bunch of things here, but look, there is your bullish divergence established. Very strong. That tells you that's usually the bottom, but that was the bottom there, and we would crescendo back down. Crescendo. So here's the deal for Bitcoin. Really, let's look at it in a smaller time frame. We got to see where it's trying to squeeze its way out of. So really what Bitcoin just needs is a higher low right here. Technically, look. This is a new trend. We can say, okay, new trend. Can it hold this trend line? That's what we're wondering. That's what we want to see. Down, up, down, up. Can it move its way up out of this trend? Is this the new trend? See it? I'd like to see it make its way out of here. So this is again, but then again, it's another rising wedge, right? With another bearish scenario with a break to the downside. Once we get to the core here. So 68% chance that this rising wedge falls and breaks to the downside. Okay. Now, only good thing we can see here is not making this is a low. We just can't make a lower low than that. As long as we make a higher low, like right there. All right, we did make a higher high from here, which is bullish. Higher high was bullish. Now we make a higher low and we can continue up a trend. That's how trends begin. So far, so good. And we do see the bullish divergence. I mean, I've seen this many times play out and do very well. You know, line of the sand for me is right here. If Bitcoin can get above 41,004 and stay above it on a candle close on the daily, that's what I'd like to see. So today, can Bitcoin get above 41,000 and close on the daily? Is that going to happen? Yeah, I don't know. Right now, let's look at the daily time frame, pointed to the upside, and it's oversold on the stochastic, and you know, it came oversold on the stochastic, pointing to the upside. RSI is doing all right, and the MACD is pointing to the upside as well, right? 20K is possible if we continue in this channel. If we can't break this channel line and go to the upside. So daily is bullish right now, technically. 4 hour looks like it's going to double top. Okay. Something like that. Okay. I'm long on ETH and Bitcoin right now with this little pop it had. Bitcoin broke out and retested. Trying to zoom in a little and stretch one of the downtrends. I was able to sell all my cake at 41. Hey, that was a great idea. During the dip around 13 bucks. Oh, you sold around 13 bucks. Yeah. Damn, that's tough, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. 104 people watching, 65 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? That's all I ask. Simple thing. Just a simple, humble thing. You can be a humble person and hit the like, and I can be humble and be humble. It's cool. We can all be chill together. It's all good. You feel me? It's all gravy train. So look, coming back to the upside, then I see it retracing, so we can come up, and then it, I don't know, man, 4 hours suggesting that we need to break up higher. Like, we need to break up at least to this point here. This next move, this next upward movement here on the 4 hour needs to really push us up. You see? Not feeling that at all. So 4 hours a little sketchy, but we're getting a movement. We'll get some movement right now. It's telling us it is going to make the right shoulder here and move on out. So shoulder, head, shoulder. I mean, you can clearly see it, right? There's a shoulder right there. There's a beautiful head, and there's a shoulder right there. And we said that yesterday. I said we would make a right shoulder and probably come down and test. I thought we would even test, you know, 35,000, 34,000 right there in that area. So far so good. Bitcoin doing exactly kind of what we thought, and then bouncing off the bottom trend line here. Let's go look at it on the 15-minute. And so there's the head and shoulder you can clearly see playing out. And we built this yesterday on the live stream. We said it's probably going to come back down and test. I said be prepared for Bitcoin to come back down. And it did. 36,000. I'm happy that it bounced off 36K. That look, resistance, 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 and we're using it now as support. 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at that death cross on the 4 hour. I need to see this 21 start to curve and round us out and save the day. That's usually, see, when the 21 starts to curve, it usually halts the price action from stopping. So we can catch the price right there with the 21-day moving average, and we can start to make our way up back above. I want to see the 50 cross and get back above that 200-day moving average as well. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly is extremely oversold, telling us enough is enough. Every time Bitcoin's been down here, it's been one of the greatest buys in centuries. So I got to keep sticking to that. No matter what, let's stick to the basics. So delete everything else right now. Bitcoin. This is the greatest places to buy Bitcoin. Now, even if it goes lower, but this is one of the greatest places to buy Bitcoin right here. Up, down, up, down. And then, to me, it was in this ascending triangle that broke to the downside. That's what happened. Oh, what a beautiful pattern it was in on the weekly. And then it dropped, right? Again, remember, these are bilateral patterns. They're not continuation. They're not reversal, right? They go either way. There's still hidden bullish divergence here, in my opinion. That's hidden bullish divergence. Tells me that the trend will continue to the upside. We're oversold. If we stick to the basics, man, all they got was 2 nasty weeks out of us. That may be it. That may be it. And look, strong monthly support here. 31,750. I mean, extremely strong. You could back it up to 30K, but extremely strong support here. Like, look at that. That's weekly support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When's the last time we saw weekly support in that nature? Let's take a look. I don't know if we ever did, honestly. Could have said, fine, Bitcoin kind of had weekly support here. 1, 2, 3 candles on the weekly, 4 candles on the weekly, and then we would dump. But what's crazy is this dump looks even worse than the 2000. Look, 19K all the way back down to 7K. I mean, a $12,000 dump. What do you think of the monthly chart? We're looking at the monthly chart right now. Sam, hope all is well. Shout out to Luke L, man. Much respect to you, my brother. What do you think of the monthly? Shout out to XRP Music up in the spot, watching while working. Hey, that's what you got to do. I used to do it all the time. I'd be at work and I'd be watching a YouTuber. Now you're at work watching me, man. Who would have thought, man? Hit me up after the talk to talk about your plants. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Did you check out Wyckoff theory yesterday? Thoughts? I did, man, and it's you know, there's an idea here. Let's look at the daily and the 4-hour time frame. Wyckoff suggests that there's a huge dump right here. There's always a major dump back to support here at 12,000. That's what Wyckoff wants. You know, will that occur? You know, what are we seeing here too? You know, despite all the news, Elon Musk, everything they were saying, I mean, look at the daily chart. Look at the strong bearish divergence that it had. Swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. I'm telling you to get out of the trade. It was yelling at us. It was saying, guys, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Boom, 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 boom. To me, I still see a downtrend too. Like, I mean, a trend is a trend, right? That's a downtrend to me. Now, even this is slight bullish divergence though. Look, swing down to swing down from these two swings. And then if I swing this down, it's not nearly as sharp. It sharps down, but if you drag that to infinity and that, they will hit each other. That tells me that's secret bullish divergence. Then the trend should pop. The trend should pop. 4 hours wants to double top. It's a little sketchy right now. Much rather see the 4 hour down here, and we didn't really get the pop we wanted. That was a lack of buying pressure right there, in my opinion. So that should get you kind of weary. 1 hour wants to reset and double bottom, ready to rock. That's the only good thing in our favor at the present, like, you know, in the temporal sense, in the present immediate short term right now. So in the immediate short term, made the right, you know, shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, and the shoulder. We're holding this average right here, 34,000, 36,400. Now, I'd like to see the 1 hour take over. The 1 hour takes over, you know, we could possibly see Bitcoin get all the way up here and challenge 42,000. So Bitcoin doesn't challenge 42,000, I'm bearish, you know, so we'll see what happens. I want Bitcoin to start going on up. And again, like we said before, I'm piecing together the story each day with Bitcoin, slowly but surely. Low, there's the low. All right, back for another stream. How's it going? Shout out to Pyro, man. Bought ETH at 1780, sold at 2,440. Gonna buy again at 1930. Bucket List Adventures prediction for ETH. We'll get into that. Velorex mooning, interesting. Hope all is safe and sound. Thank you very much. Shout out to Raja Chana. Did you check out Wyckoff Theory yesterday? We did. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, guys. Sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. If you wanted me to do a deep dive on a coin or talk about your portfolio, send me a super chat, and I'll go into anything you ask me about, and we'll do the best we can to figure out whether it's worth holding, selling it, or, you know, buying more on a dip. Today is a short day, methinks. Yeah, I was looking at a short. I'll give you a look at a short that I'm looking at that I prepared. You know, we'll see if it works out or not. But honestly, every coin's going to follow Bitcoin right now. So giving you a call on Bitcoin or on a trade, high risk right now. High risk. Shoulder, head, and shoulder did play out there on BLZ. Glad to see you're back. This show can be addictive. Shout out to Pyro. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, guys. Much respect. Let's keep it moving while the music bumps. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, so we got that pump up. I mean, imagine getting BNB at $200. You know, CZ tweeted, I hope he doesn't eat his own words when it goes back to 150. But let's see. I mean, it did hit previous support and resistance. I mean, this was a previous place where we had a beautiful pennant here. I remember giving the call for this pennant, man. Bam. So many trades I gave, and they just stole so many gains back, which is weird. The bull run was running so far. Let's get into Velorex. Hope you have a great day. Okay, you know, I was supposed to get into this. They contacted me. They talked about me. My wife was talking about it. So let's see what is Velorex. Velorex coin. Manufactures, distributes cruiser motorcycles, sidecars. Interesting. I wonder if that's any connection there. Thank you so much for that super chat. Shout out to the super chat from Adrian H. Much respect to you, man. Let's go into Velorex. Hope you have a great day. BNB to 1K. Is the real dump coming? That's what everyone wants to know. I'm extremely cautious. Either you miss the cheap prices because you're afraid of the pump, or you buy in and you get beat down when it does dump on you. And you never know. You never know. Velorex is a decentralized finance token focusing on safety of users, implementation of the daily life of everyone. Contract address, Telegram, chat it. Let's do a chat on Velorex. Matthew, I love ETH. Been a supporter since early 19. This summer is going to be big with 2.0 approaching. I think we're going to see 5K ETH by August. Big props to you not giving up on teaching people about cryptos. You had 5 to 10 live viewers for a while. Look at you now. Preach, brother. I know you do it from the heart. Shout out to Luke L. Thank you so much, man. I respect that. Thank you very, very much, man. Hey, man, it was always there trying to help, trying to do my thing. You're only as powerful as what you give away. And I could pass away at any moment, any time, you know. It's hard to say. And I know I'm not being morbid. I'm just being real. No one is guaranteed tomorrow. Not, you know, you can't. So if you get crazy about money, think about it. You can't even spend the money tomorrow if you passed. If you weren't healthy, if you weren't taking care of yourself, you couldn't spend the money anyway either. So look, Velorex looking pretty nice to me. This is running out of room. Getting pretty tight. I could see it making its way back up to the top. Torrent, Avashly, good vibes only. When you thinking rights reserve is going, respect, bro. Shout out to Torrent. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect to you, man. £5 all the way from London, baby. Vexar prices of 0.06, but they migrated, so pretty much started again. Massive discount, I might add. Yeah, keep people saying that you keep migrating. Right now, it's at 1 6 and 10 cents of a penny. May 23rd, this thing was half a cent. So this thing's already done about a 3x and starting to move. I mean, I'm just looking at the TA. That was a crazy wick that it had. Came back down. I mean, that's pretty gnarly. But the TA alone suggests that if we take this wick away, we're going to make a big move to the upside. Velorex. I want to take a little more of what it is. We're going to go into it, you know, before I suggest, you know, buy. But we'll take a look. Again, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own research before getting into any single project that you may find on my channel or that you may find anywhere online. It's because of the liquidity. Now it's like 19%. The next Bitcoin is Crypto Juan, official Crypto Juan. Apparently you are official Crypto Juan. Yo, Lifer, I thought I'd pop on considering work is quiet. Thank you. Shout out to Manny. Shout out to Manny doing his thing, man. I finally figured it out. The latest migration was to stop whales from dumping their price. Think they increased their liquidity. I was looking into something like that. I like that. You know, a project that actually cares, tries to keep it moving. MemePad. I was looking at MemePad. Let's take a look at an IDO they had, Elongate. Was it Doge alone? No, what is it? ElonDoge, yeah. And I don't like these crap coins, but I mean, in the market, I'm trying to get any sense of bullishness we can. I don't care what it is if it's pumping. If ElonDoge pump, let's take a look. I want to see what happened. It was an IDO as well on MemePad, and my whole crew, we got into MemePad together, and we've been looking for what they're going to be coming out with. So, there's ElonDoge. Not much liquidity there if this is the same coin. Let's take a look at it on KuCoin. So it came out and just did an absolute blast off, right? Obviously, whoever got it sold it off as fast as possible. 240% gains, but it's still holding from the low. It was holding 150%. Now it's up 64%. I don't agree with any of these meme coins, and I don't think they're cool, and I'm not into them, as someone actually kind of hit me up. But I'm just pointing it out, that ElonDoge IDO did 100x. I mean, this is a meme coin IDO. It's kind of interesting to me, the idea that they're kind of watching how the real space works and they're mimicking it. That is a bit of a cup and handle there for ElonDoge. Just, you know, I'll do TA on anything, man. I'll do TA on a flower outside. Show me flower, I'll start drawing lines on it. I'm like, yo, that pedal, man, that pedal looks bullish, man. I think that pedal's about to break out, man. Like, yo, you see those bushes, man? Cup and handle on those bushes. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, man. That is your time. 147 people watching. Let's get the likes all the way up to 100 people. Get your dance on. Get the blood flowing. Drink some water in a jar if you can. Crazy how that green screen works. The life of crypto, baby. Crypto whale watchers. Oh, I like crypto whale watchers. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Crypto whale watchers, bro. I want to see what that's all about. You should have a really good channel, man. Your channel should be hot and all about whale watching. It's funny because my family's going whale watching today, which I think is really funny. How to track whale activity. Look, the whales won. The data shows the shows us the whales won. Proof of whales stealing Bitcoin. They even used God, man. Did you see that? They even had the Pope tweeting. He was even tweeting, man. JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs training employees to sell crypto. Yeah, it's going to be big, man. Congratulations, live around 8K subs. Shout out to Peng Venkat, man. Thank you, BG Venkat. Thank you very much. Is this your wife's boyfriend taking her whale watching? Please tell me about. I wish my wife had a boyfriend, man. You know how many married guys wish their wife had a boyfriend so they could get their wife out of the house for a day. You don't realize you're talking to a married guy, 38 years old, man. Yeah, man. You can't. Man, your prediction on CATGE was great. Let's take a look at CATGE. Did I go over CATGE? Let's see what happened with CATGE. I don't even know what the heck it was. Hopefully I hope my stuff's still there. Well, I appreciate it. I don't even know what we did or what we went over, but it looks like it kind of did a cup and handle kind of action. Oh, I think what we did was this, right? I know what we did. I kind of remember. It was something like that, right? And said it would probably break on up off support. We'll see, though. Now it's testing this region. I mean, that thing's been bullish. Please trade on crypto. Man, your prediction on CATGE was great. Shout out to Matty Catalano, man. Testing the waters. Crypto whale watchers. I like the crypto whale watchers, man. Please tell us about Wink. Tell us about Wink. Please tell us about Wink. Please tell us about Wink. We're going to hide that. We're going to hide that, man. Yeah. Is your wife's boyfriend. Shout out to Maddie Chase for the comment of the day. And shout out to my my modifiers for not catching that one. You're gonna let him disrespect BB like that, XRP user? Spying on whales. When you have a moment, can we take a look over at BTT and Tron, my babies? BTT and Tron. All right, BNB now saying enough was enough. I'm gonna bounce off previous consolidation and start my move to the upside. Also, the only thing we don't see, kind of, if we go into candle closing, we gotta have swing up to swing up here. This is the ugliest. This is ugly though. This is pure manipulation because I watched price action and it went pretty, up and down retracements for a while. If Lifer's wife had a boyfriend, his name is Sam. Right? Funny. So that's hidden bullish divergence on the daily right there, telling you that the trend will continue to the upside. Extremely oversold already too. All these coins are ready to start to make a move to the upside. We gotta see what Bitcoin wants to do. Let's take a look at BTT from my man right off the bat. BTT and Tron, right, usually come together. Check out Homecoin. Meme coins hurt BNB, which is so sad. I bought some yesterday before it ran up. BTT. Let's see. BTT now, it's bouncing off the 686. All right. So, 886. So 88% retracement. I mean, right? Sweet spot was in the 618. After the beautiful retracement, that was where you wanted. Then they took us all the way down, bouncing off the 200-day moving average. Honestly, a retracement off the 200-day is really the lowest you can get. And if we go to the smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, I know we're going to see some bullish divergence that got established in here. Let's see what's going on. A little bit of bullish right there. See it? Because you got to swing down hardcore in this manner. But if you go to the RSI, it does not swing as much. It's almost flatline. So, and that told you that was your chance to buy. Get the boom out. Let's take a look what's going on now. I'm just wary of Bitcoin, man. I'm wary of the whole market right now. I'm honest. And take that as a sign. If I'm weary, there's a reason. Trust me, like, I have good instincts. I've been doing this for a long time. I've been circumventing these markets when most people would have been wrecked and left a long time ago. I'm still here. So trust me, man. I've been through all the naysayers, all the haters, all the talkers, all the bullish guys. They've came and went. They bought their Audis. They bought their gold. They bought their freaking wives. jewelry, and then they all sold it all because they lost it all. So remember, man, I've seen it all. I'm still there humbly just planting my seeds, doing my thing, getting ready for the year. And look at the Fibonacci's ready to rock. So I see this could break to the upside. I want to watch it though. There is bullish divergence established too here on the 1 hour. Really strong bullish. You can see swing down, and this swings up hard. That's hard bullish divergence. That tells you that there's definitely a push to the upside, but we need to see. We need a break above the 706 at 004. We break above 704 and I get a candle close on the 4 hour, 5 hour, you know, something like that. Big AK, remember when you were at 400 subs, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. 8K subs. I remember 3K, man. I love you guys, man. Thank you. Just accumulate. Very risky day trading this market. It's very risky day trading this market. Extremely. If you're not an extremely expert trader, like you could have put 10 grand on cake at $10 and sold it at $19.50 and made 5 grand yesterday, right? But what do you think about Bitcoin being a dead cat bounce? Pablo Herman has 680,000 followers on TikTok, and he's been saying it will drop to 25K after May 28th. Your thoughts? I mean, I'm pretty kind of aligned with that idea, right? I mean, if you could see, I sad to say, I just put out a short on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the call. I hate shorting Bitcoin with a passion. Like I can't stand it. But honestly, like if we can't make this higher high here above 42,000, we're bearish. You guys got to understand that everything, to me as a pattern trader, that's what I love about pattern trading. It is what it is until it isn't, right? So right now we're in a pattern that I see, and this is the pattern here. And the price will stay in the pattern until it doesn't. That's what I think of as a pattern trader. So we came down to the bottom of the pattern, up to the top of the pattern, down to the pattern, up to the top. We're going to come back down to the bottom of the pattern, up to the top, down to the bottom of the pattern. We're going to do this until we can either make a higher low, a higher high. So until we make a higher high above these highs here, see, price just going to continue in this channel. And it's going to channel because the oscillators can only give you so much push. Push. So you need the price to make a higher high. So when that push happens, you break the trend, right? And then once the trend is changed, people know what's going on. So that's kind of the idea, right? I think you made the right call on BTC. So right now, man, I'm not trying to tell you exactly what's happening. I'm saying we need a higher high. If we don't make a higher high, Bitcoin's in a downtrend. It's that simple, guys. And you know, you can see we clearly started the downtrend ever since we broke here. The bearish divergence created the downtrend, and then we started to fall down. So Bitcoin could, just as it was in this uptrend, it starts. This downtrend is just getting started. I could definitely see us testing 20K. I could definitely see this getting way worse. I mean, dead honest with you, every single person here in the live. That's horrible for me. I want more likes, more people, more subscribers, right? But you know what? 2, 3, 4 years from now, when I'm still online, people are going to say, well, you know what? That dude was the real deal when the market was crashing. He didn't try to buddy everybody. I could be like, guys, we're going to go long. Everything's going to be great. Just to protect my channel, my integrity. My integrity is far more important. I'm not trying to... This isn't a popularity contest. This is a real contest. This is a contest on being real, right? How real can we be? Shout out to everyone here. 168 people. Show me how real you are. If you're real, you'll hit the like button, bro. If you're real, you'll hit that like button like a real all right? Show me if you got it. If you don't got it, then fine. I get it. You're weak. If you're weak sauce, weak-minded, paper-handed, if you a bull, if you are true to the game, if you love crypto, if you know who you really are, hit the like button. If you bitch made with twinkles in your eyes, then bounce. But if you really know who you are, hit that like button, please. Hit that like button. But if you don't know who you are, you kind of soft, you know, you've been kind of like following people your whole life, you're not really sure what's up, beat it. Beat it, right? But the crash will not be as bad as 2017. There's too much hype for Bitcoin to crash too low. Institutions in Wales will for sure jump in, debating whether to sell some to have something to play with. Awesome content. Say it like it is on the charts, and that's what matters most. Yeah. I like this guy. Hit the bike button. Stop being hoes. Velorex has $5 million market cap. That's small, man. Spit something. No. Like, if you're calling 20K, you're going to watch the whales and not become the whales. Beat it. Some small caps up in thought. Hit the damn like button or you're a F-boy. That's what he's saying. Straight up. Straight up. And I lost 15 people. You know what? I'm so happy we lost those 15 people. because I guess they were soft. Institutions are buying right now. U.S. Bank and J.P. Morgan are buying so they can sell directly to their customers. I agree. Institutions are buying right now. U.S. Bank and J.P. Morgan. Honestly, I see it testing 30K again and even lower. Yeah, even if they buy it, they don't mind. So if they're buying it, they're going to add to the FUD. They're going to want the FUD, right? Right now, 1 hour is pushing up, though. So if we just go by pure TA and nothing else, you'd make a bull flag here. I'd say this isn't a bull flag. All right, up, down, up, down. That would have been your positional buy at 36. Come up and down, and I believe we could break up out of this on the 1 hour. So you can try to trade this bullish against the trend right now. The trend's to the downside. You can trade this bullish against the trend. Hope you get a break to the upside. You'd be playing the 1 hour. I would get out when the 1 hour gets this high. That's it. That's it. And I would perfect the buy with the 15-minute. I'd wait for this 15-minute to come back down. Looks like we might test bottom zone or go sideways one more time and then bounce to the upside. So wait for the 15-minute to come down or the 30-minute. Yeah, wait for the 15-minute to come on down, and then that 1 hour is about to rock in your favor. So that's the call. If you want to make a trade, the call is wait for the 15-minute to get the below the dotted line. Right now, you can put an Alt-H right here. Take a right click on that. You can put an alert here. You can put alert anywhere you want. When this crosses my line, I'm going to get an alert. Bam. That would be the time to enter Bitcoin on the trade, because that hopefully will give us one more time below something like this, like below the pattern, on the bottom of the pattern. Up, down, and we'll touch. And that will be your entry, 36.3, something like that. And then hopefully we get a bounce. Obviously going to be some resistance. The measured move will take us to 46K. I'm hedging my bets, man. It's like I almost want to put a short and a long on, and whatever one goes one way, cancel the other one. It's to me, it's that crazy. It is crazy that Bitcoin falls and all the paper hands sell everything. Yeah, it's crazy, man. But you have to remember, it's not even paper hands, man. You have to remember, there's people who were in, like, they get into VeChain at 2 cents. It goes to 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. They put a stop loss at 10 cents. You know, someone told them, hey, no, you know, put a stop loss at 10 cents. And they see it at 27 cents, 25 cents. It comes back down to 18. They're like, oh, it's not hitting. They look at the market cap. You look at everything. You're like, oh, it's not coming back down to 10 cents. And then when they crush it, they come get those stop losses. So not a lot of those people weren't even weak. That's the thing about this crash right here. A lot of these people weren't even paper hands. They were guys with, like, you know, really mature stop losses that they'd set months ago that they didn't think there was any way they were going to get hit. So you have to remember that. Love your analysis on the charts. You call it like it is, and a great vibe too. Yeah, shout out to Mike. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me. Please hit the like button. Please join the family. Please become a real one. It's definitely time to take profit out of the market till the weekend. Either it goes up or down. I'm making money. Put your shorts on. Prediction of Wink. See, that's the nice way to do it. Prediction of Wink. Why don't you send in a super chat? After all the times you send in, you bombarded my chat. So unless you send in a super chat, I'm not going to do Wink. How's that? I'm holding my VeChain since last year. We'll be holding next year and the next, adding every month. Yeah, I see what he's talking about. Go for Velorex. Stop spamming Velorex. Nobody cares. Shout out to Don Suave. Oh, man. What exchange do you short on? I tried Binance, but I feel Bybit is better. How's Wink, Dent, and BTT in deep losses already? Vax is cool, but chill with the shillin'. What about Sol? Play the long game. Still so early. I'm all in for ETH. So much potential. Go Velorex. Edmund Kabat. One more time and you probably will get booted by an admin. They got to be nice to everybody, man. So it is what it is, right? Bitcoin, you know, this is a bull flag. See it? I mean, but it was in kind of one here too, and it decided to dump. Like, this was a beautiful bull pennant. And it chose to say, nope. My thing is this, higher low. We need a break above this high at 42,000. We don't break 42.7, and there it is. So check it out, man. Shout out to Matthew Chase, man. Much respect to you, man. What a great guy, man. Love you, bro. Thank you for coming on into the live. Thank you for being cool. Thank you for being really respectful and being an awesome guy, you know? Shows that you have really a lot of good energy and good love in your heart. Yeah. Can you shout out to Ramit Ima Asho, please? He's my nephew. Shout out to Ramit Inma Asho. Oh, man, you're such a... This guy's so stupid, bro. Why do I got so many people hating today, man? I don't get it, man. So many haters, bro. Yo, where's my admins at? How come I'm quicker than all y'all, man? Solj changed the SCG. Have to change address in your wallet listing on Bitmart Thursday. Thanks, man. We appreciate that. XR, please. Ghost Rider. Did you manage to sort out the email stuff, Lifer? Somebody clip it. So bad. I don't hate you, bro. I love you, man. Much respect, bro. I know, but why are you doing that? If this doesn't become a bear market, pay attention. There will be life-changing deals in the market. Yeah, that's a great way to say it. Hey, guys, buy on the low. Either you're going to lose it all or you're going to make a bunch of money. What do you think the lowest point for Bitcoin is? You still think we're in a bull run? I'm almost in between now. I believe we're bullish, but I believe... You know, I'm going to actually have to bust something out right now. I love house music, man. Keep it rocking. Keep it rocking. Big move for Velorex. This guy's hilarious. Man. I was looking at Velorex, though. I'll be honest. That was Bart Simpson's prank call to Mo. I know, right? Amanda Hug and Kiss. Remember that? Amanda Hug and Kiss? He used to do that, too. Amanda Hug and Kiss. Amanda Hug and Kiss. What about Tech House? Yeah, honestly, same. Since the big crash, I feel like bears can just crash it again. I remember Link and BNB and Aave at $1, and nobody wanted to buy. 2018. I know, isn't that crazy? You speak on MemePad. I just joined. We did speak on MemePad. We talked about it. We went over it. It's kind of back where I would have bought it at about 19. Interesting, right? Man, I'm not a master trader, but if I was manipulating the market in my favor, I would work on destroying all previous TA for the biggest grab. I got no hate on your crypto life. I'm just having some fun. Hey, there you go, man. Then have some fun in the nice way, man. Don't be anytime you're negative to someone, it kind of comes right back on you, man. I'm trying to teach you a lesson. Just trying to like teach you how to be a good dude. More good stuff coming to you if you're a good dude, man. Just be a good dude. Listen to me. Trust me, man. I was a bad dude for years, man. Headbutt and broken my jaw, all that stuff. It wasn't too fun. You don't want to be a bad dude. Be a good dude. You know what I'm saying? Come to the good side. I love EDM too. Great background ground music. Thank you, man. Velorex sent all the guys from Fiverr at once. I mean, hey, come on in then. At least hit the like button then, for Christ. Hopefully we go up, boys. Yeah, you never know. So check it out. 38K, man. I keep saying that's been that moment in time. Like, it just keeps playing with this 38K region. You know? I'd love to see this bearish divergence play out and have it break to the upside. I mean, 9 out of 10 times, we should see a breakout to the upside. So, let's see. I unfortunately do have a short, too, just in case. Do you listen to Fred again? Studio Live, I put in the chat. Did you listen to Fred again? Studio Live, I put in the chat. No. What do you think about Helium mining? Like $450 to get in the box. And some people are making about $3K a month. I know a guy who made $13K in 1 month. Bitcoin dead cat bounce or retrace. You know, I really like Helium, and I'm going to get into it. I'm going to talk about HNT. It's a trade that I talked about yesterday. I put it out there for my subscribers. I like it. I like what's going on with HNT. It's on my radar now. I'm probably going to be making some content about it. So I want to put it on your radar. I want to talk about it. I like it. Look, up, down, up, down. It's the only one that's still in market structure, proper market structure. Aim to catch the price here. This is what I'm talking about. See, and it is starting to come down right now. This is kind of the location where I would hone in on HNT. This thing, I think, can survive a bear market. It's just going to keep adding, right? If you don't know what Helium is, it's basically... The only thing I read about was if you don't have a lot of Heliums around you, it's not a good look. And I looked at my town, and I'd be the only guy in my town with the Helium. So I don't think I'd make any money. Helium, I thought you were talking about balloons. We got to get Hadouken on the show next. Thoughts on Shiba Inu? Hey, Lifer, what do you think about GMR? It looks like a giant symmetrical triangle. I like GMR. Bitcoin deck had bounce. What do you think about Helium mining? Yeah, we like Helium mining a lot. So this is Helium, man, and I like this. I like this trade right here. I gave this trade to my Patreons to buy right in the zone, in that circled zone right there. Aim to catch the price here if you can, bouncing off the bottom of the trend line. But I like what we're seeing here. This is one of the only trades that I looked at of all the coins that didn't seem to be too manipulated, that still was in its market structure, that I could still place in a beautiful pennant, still was making sense, still doing its thing. So I like what we see here. Let's take a look at that daily too. Oversold, ready to make a move. So you want to look at the 4 hour. 4 hours a little hot. Might double top up here though. Shoulder, head, shoulder action. I'm telling you right now, I think this could survive the bear market. I like HNT. I really do. This could make some serious moves. It's on Binance already. It's in the sweet spot. It's in the right place at the right time. HNT, baby. HNT. So just want to put that on your radar, guys. Let you know. Shout out to PolkaEx. So we got into the PolkaEx pre-sale. Shout out to everyone that got into the pre-sale with me on PolkaEx. Tokens play a crucial part of the ecosystem, can be used to pay for fees on PolkaEx swap. PX holders can participate in IDOs and Launchpad on the PolkaEx. PolkaEx to be used in our liquidity mining program, can be staked to receive staking rewards, and holders can participate in the PolkaEx ecological governance and voting programs. It's an ERC20 token. It's PKEX, total supply. The initial circulating supply, right? The hard cap. Token sale. Bam. So it's going to come out. The initial IDO price, 35 cents. Not bad. IDO details. Private pool and the early whitelisters, early winning to pool is wow. Wow, so when you get into the pre-sale, you're in even before the IDO, man. So we could do a serious 100x on this thing. We'll see what happens, but wow. I'm very, very interested in to see what's going to go on with this, guys. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me. Ether is going up or down. Put your shoulders. Can you hit HYDRA or SRK, big homie? You got to throw that super chat, man. It's getting slim pickings in here. This bear market got nobody wanting to throw a shekel at the kid. How does this get to those that need it? Hey, Sam, I'm in MY2 and can't use Binance. You got to use Binance with a VPN. You got to just get a VPN. You got to get it. I did it for years. Oh, I don't want to get it. I got NordVPN. Bam. They didn't give me an affiliate link, so if you use Nord, I'd get nothing out of it. But, hey, go to Nord. Maybe now I'll have 8,000 subs. I tried it when I had like 800, and they didn't give it to me. So now I'll reapply. Maybe they'll hook me up. How do you do it? Do you use a VPN or HNT? For X, do you buy it? Yeah, so you get a VPN. I say that I'm in Brisbane. Open up a Binance account. It takes 2 seconds. This is what you do. Yeah, New York is the worst when it comes to crypto. They really, they're hurting people. I got out of there almost. The main reason I moved to Massachusetts was because of the crypto world. It was like I was living in a third world country. Couldn't do anything. You know? Early whitelist winners link. Oh my God, did I win the whitelist? It's like I would never know. Can you search this document? That's what I was trying to find out. You got to be able to search this thing. You know? Like, you can't just scroll through the whole thing. There's probably an easy way to search it, right? You see, I'm like incompetent at office work. I can sit in the charts all day, but when it comes to just like doing normal things, I'm pretty much a space cadet. Yeah. I've been a video editor my whole life, so I've been like playing with computers to make money. That's kind of been my life. Refused to get a real job, you know? But it was hard work, man. I was there late at night. I worked a night shift for years, man, making TV, man, making TV. So I'm trying to find out if I made the whitelist. I'll never figure that out. That's never going to happen. Not here on the live stream. I know there's an E at the end, so I'll just keep looking for a little E. There's a little E. I have really good scanning capabilities. Like, I've always tested myself at scan. Like 7. See, if there's the 7.4. Can we scan 7.4 again? Right there again. See? And you keep moving it. There's again. And you travel it around. Can your mind scan the 7? There's the 7.4 again. And you shuffle it. There's the 7.4. Little E. No little E. Oh. I was almost like, wow, that was a letter close. Nah, we're not going to get it. Anyway, Control F to search, bro. I love you guys. I'm staring at them. Find and sheet. That's going to be easy. So I'll do it. Just all I had to do was look up at you guys are amazing. Keyword search. I'm not feeling this. This sounds like a video game or something. I like EDM that plays, that moves. Okay, cool. I like this play a lot, and I'm focused on this play. And right now, I believe this is bear proof. I'm being honest. And I'm hard on this right now. I'm picking up some indications of what people are putting down, and I'm listening, and I'm hearing the story, and I know what we're into. This is HNT, guys. If you didn't know, we've gone over this like 10 times now on the channel. Many, many times. Look at that coin. Look at that little Doge dog. I want to get a Shiba Inu so bad, but I heard they run around like crazy. They need a lot of, you got to give them like, you got to get them a lot of energy. They, you know. Let's see, recently added. What's been going on? Missing opportunities. You know, 56% for a Shiba Inu. Damn, man. Velorex. There's Velorex right there. Up 8.9%, 1/6 of a penny. Can't even find the market cap right there. Velorex BCC. Decentralized DeFi token focusing on safety of users. Implementation on the daily life of everyone. Contract address. Interesting. Finally. Chill a bit. Chill a bit, chill a bit, chill a bit, chill a bit. Control F. Wow, that many people trying to help me out real fast. Man, you guys are awesome, man. All right, let's find out if I won the whitelist IPO now. Probably didn't, but you never know. I'm a lucky guy, so maybe we did. You never know. I'm open-minded. I'm open-minded to believe, man. You got to believe. If you don't believe, then what do you got? You got nothing. Right? You got absolutely nothing. This is hot. I'll play with that. Even the Pope was involved trying to take us down, man. I thought that was insane. And it really was crazy, man. It really was. Like, it was true. It was true. So I didn't win, man. I didn't win the whitelist. Early whitelist winners. Oh, a portion of the address has been left out though. So like it wouldn't find the whole address anyway. Damn. So like maybe you just do a section? Nah, I didn't win. I didn't win. I was hopeful though. I was hopeful. I got into the pre-sale though, so I don't think I had to win the whitelist IDO. I don't know. I'm confused by this stuff, man. I've only done like 5 pre-sales, and I need to know more about how they work and what's going on. Asking you should receive HYDRA and SRK. Let's get it. Thank you so much, El Crypto. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's all I'm asking for, you know. Just some minimum wage action, you know. Hey, Lifer, do you think it's better to move from Harmony to Matic alone? Or should I stay on both? I would stay on both, man. I would stay on both, man. You know? What's up? Shout out to Renchi T, man. What's going on, my man? Yo, Sam, is this a cup and handle on BTC 1 hour chart? No, it's a cup and handle on BTC down 1 hour chart. You got a cup and handle on... Yeah, kind of. I see what you're saying here. You're trying to... No, not in a downtrend. It's got to be a resourceful, kind of more of a bull and flatline. Should I get out of Frank effing FTM? I'm still in Frank, man. I'm going to keep continuing to just compile my Frank over and over again. Over time, it'll make its way back up to the top. You'd be surprised how much that APY could just continue to grind. I'm going to stay into it for a month, man. If the market dumps, then it dumps on us. But if not, then we hold it down, you know? They have 2 whitelists. Hey, thank you for telling me that. Yo, Sam, is that a cup and handle? No. Should I get out of Frank Random? No. Again, do whatever you want, though. We took that opportunity and prepared 3 different sale stages. Private round A and private round B. They have 2 whitelists. Excellent. I mean, I know I did the private sale, so I also have Fala. Elio Trades recommended that one too. I like Fala a lot. Yeah, staking HYDRA for 4 months now on KuCoin, 120% APY. I like HYDRA. Let's take a look at HYDRA. And you brought up HYDRA and SRK. I mean, I talk about SRK on my own. We like SRK a lot here. HYDRA though, look, lack of liquidity. Let's take a look. Okay, there it is. I mean, everything in that double bottom making its way back up to the top. But, you know, again, what I want to stress and what I want to show is this can be bear pennants. Yeah, it's not the nicest. Yeah. I'm going to negate that. That's not pretty. But double bottom, broke back up. It has to hit, you know, it is hitting this area here as support. And then it breaks to the upside. I mean, there's resistance. So, obviously, there's our line in the sand. It's got to break above that. And you can see why HYDRA, I mean, when it's not too bearish. Kind of put it in this bigger pattern here. So, you know what? It's still in the pattern. Like, what I do is I negate this whole upward area. And I say, you know what? It's still in a bullish pattern. A lot of coins are not in a bullish pattern. This is. I just need to be able to give it a bullish pattern so I can play it the way I want to play it. So there's HYDRA. I mean, it's possibly breaking out. Let's see. Let's see the potential measure move here. This is too much. Yeah, it's got to be like mystical movement. I like this type of stuff. There we go. 143% out of HYDRA? Damn. Double bottoming right here. Oversold on the 1 hour. Ready to rock. About to break out of the pattern in that sense. Because it's oversold. But it's also at the top of the pattern. I like to see that. That's kind of a double idea there. Let's take a look at the daily. Everything's got to be oversold at this point. Daily extremely oversold in your favor. And that 4 hours seems high. That's the only thing. 4 hours not in our favor. So you get the 1 hour pump and then go sideways in the 4 hour. And then the daily 4 hour and the 1 hour all should kind of make their move. $28 for HYDRA. USDT. Should I make the call on that? I'm trying to look at it. Do I make that move? Huh. It's interesting. What a messy chart. Trying to make sense of this nasty. See, they disrupted all the TA. They ruined it. That's how you know it's manipulation, because none of it followed suit. It was all just like someone forcing the charts to do whatever they wanted. None of it really followed suit. We'd love to have your advice for the newbies who bought the high, asking for a friend. The high of what? You know, gotta run. Thanks, Sam. Love your show. Shout out to Kate and Hone anytime. I think we have an appointment later on today. I think I saw your name on the chart. My Tesla buddy who got Dodge loan last month says CSPR Wise is on the radar. Casper, yeah, Casper's been on the radar. We've been talking about Casper recently. Get Doge loan last month. Up 279 now from long ETH. Can you stake Velorex in any liquidity pools? I believe you can. Hey, just came here from the TCL channel. Shout out to MI, man. Thank you for coming on out. We love you, brother, man. We love you too, man. Thank you very much, man. That's much respect, bro. I appreciate that. Sam, one super chat had asked about RSR. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Let's take a look at RSR and SRK. I like SRK, SparkPoint token. It's like educational teaching. It's kind of what I'm about. Anything below a penny too. I mean, this thing went all the way to 0.003. It's actually already did 100% gains from there. Watch SRK if it breaks this line. That's the line I'm talking about. I believe we can get a big pump out of SRK all the way 157% back to that previous high. It's just got to break out of these channels that it's in now. Look. Fake out, came back into the pattern, breaking out again, getting a higher low and making its move. SRK. Right now, though, the 4 hour is not in everybody's favor, so we got to watch it. 1 hour wants to rock, though, so 1 hour might actually propel us up out of the pattern, at least for now. I had a B gift, so I was farming away and decided to stake B-Day over the last 2 months, around 7 cents. I might be the only person still staking it, but it has stayed at 1 cent since. I'm still doing the B-Day pool, man. I don't stop. You know, there's no reason not to, so I'm still doing it. Dot to 150 by 2021 quarter 4. I mean, 2021. Yeah, I mean, that's, to me, I thought it would have been higher than that. Buy New York. I know. You should get out of New York, man. Sam, one super chat had asked about RSR. We'll take a look at RSR as well. Reserve rights, man. A lot of institutional money. A lot of people like reserve rights. This thing's only 3 cents now. I mean, everything was in these beautiful pennants. Look, everything was in these beautiful pennants. 32% chance of break to the downside. I mean, we did break to the downside. Amazing. Much appreciated, lifer. Shout out to El Crypto in the spot. And what are the green and red R's on the stochastic? They're just like, they're divergences. Told you, destroy the charts. You destroy their whole game plan. Yeah, so now this isn't a falling wedge. So look for it to come back to the top of the pattern. I mean, that's all that happens, right? Play the pattern as the pattern's played. To me, I have EDM, but like, this is not EDM music. Like, so whoever made this mix, bro, that's not EDM. This is like some dinky Harris, bro. You can make better music than this, man. Come on. There you go. This is better. Some PKEX tokenomics was released. Yeah, we went over it. You're a little late to the game. Love your analysis. Very insightful indeed. Thank you, man. Can you explain impermanent loss from staking? Took a loss with BSC coins and withdrew from my pancake swap to smart chain and damn near made my investment back from all the coins. Took a loss from BSC, yeah, and withdrew my pancake swap. Hit the damn button. Y'all asking these questions but not hitting the like button. It's kind of rudeness. Is this? What kind of rudeness is that? Thank you very much, High Truth. I appreciate that. NYC is trash. I'm a New Yorker myself, Washington Heights, so I can say that. But NYC be hating hard on cryptos. Man, I lived in New York City for 20 years, man. Shout out to the Washington Heights. I used to go up to Fort Tryon Park. I know that 191, man. I'm up in the Heights. And used to hang out, 210th Street. I was up in Riverdale. I knew the Bronx. I knew 138 in Grand Concourse. I had friends in the projects there. Hung out all over New York, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island. I was out in Staten Island. Catch me on Victory. Catch me going through Silver Lake. I knew New York like you wouldn't believe, man. I knew White Plains. I knew Yonkers. I knew the Bronx. I knew Brooklyn, Bensonhurst. I had my buddy lived in Bensonhurst. I was there every single day. I was in Bed-Stuy every day almost, constantly. I lived in Queens. I lived in Roosevelt, Woodside. I lived in Spanish Harlem, 99th and 3rd, man. I covered ground in New York City, man. Shout out to my New York City people, man. Shout out to my New York City people, man. Shout out from the Dykeman, man. Shout out to Dykeman. Yeah, hell yeah, Dykeman, man. I know Dykeman. Used to get the Pooday up in Dykeman, bro. You guys still got the Pooday up in there? I know y'all do. I know y'all do, man. I know y'all do. Shout out to my dudes, man. Get the Swami. You got the Swami up in the spot? LTO, man. 21 cents. Banged on him. You know what's funny? LTO also a coin that's didn't lose complete market structure. Like, I can still put it in a bit of a flag here. See that? That tells me it's still got some market structure to it and it can still make a move. Catch you later, bro. Shout out to High Truth. Thank you for all the support, man. Really appreciate that. Which has the best potential? Hell yeah. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. I'm going to take a look at Total 2 as well. But yeah, this is my one call on the channel. I'm being easy. But HNT, man, if I was going to get into anything, it would be HNT. Holo chain finally back up a little bit. Everything kind of making a bit of a move. You saw CHR up 30% today. Starting to get a bit of a play there, right? Lifer Gang, hit the like button. Shout out to my Lifer Gang. Shout out to everyone here on the Lifer Gang, baby. I'll make a shirt, Lifer Gang. Maybe I could do it on a motorcycle, like with like cryptos coming out the back, blasting. We need a New England meetup. Sincerely, aka Dirtbike P. Dope, man. Shout out to D Stu, man. Oh yeah, Dirtbike P, man. Dirtbike P, man. Prodigy, bro. My man. Lifer Gang, hit the likes, bro. Celsius, please. So look, we look at CHR, another coin that's really not in the worst place possible. Because look, I can make a shape. If I can make a shape that has a trend it's respecting somewhat, look up and down, then it's worth checking out. To me, you know what? Okay. So they tried to tank the market, but they couldn't tank everything. Like, enough people were just like, whoa, 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 whoa. Like, this is a bull run. Like, what are you doing? Yeah, what's good, fam? By the way, hit me up when you're ready to make your own coin, bro. I am. I'm ready right now, dude. Let me know. DM me crypto_lifer, bro. I'm ready right now. Like, let's rock. Like, I don't hold back, man. I want to get it going. I want to get it going. How to trade like crypto whales. Spying on a $1 billion whale. Freaking BitBoy back when he used to wear hoodies. Remember when BitBoy wore hoodies and a backwards hat? Well, he's got the. How did he get a shadow? That's interesting. Definitely standing up while he talks too. That's kind of nice to be able to stand up. I think I'm going to do that today. Today to tomorrow, man. Always dealing with crypto banner, man. Every day. Imagine if the chat went that fast. That'd be crazy. Guys, slow down. Slow down, guys. I can't keep up with you guys. I love messing with people all the time. Messing with people. Messing with people. We took that opportunity and prepared 3 of its stages. Name it. All right. Did you get your desk yet? No, I did not, man. Lighting is everything, man. It really is, man. It really is. I hate when the chat is too fast. Congrats, Lifer, on AK subs. Francisco Furtado, road to 10K. Thanks for always sharing your knowledge. Could you check out EGLD? Shout out to Francisco Furtado, man. I love you, man. Guys, this is the guy who does all the timestamps. He's the reason you're able to fly through my videos at the speed of light. He's the man, dude. He's the man. So you can get this timestamp in right now. EGLD. No, you're funny. Cup and handle that didn't. That was one cup and handle that didn't play out for us. There was like 100 and they all went. That one didn't. Let's take a look at EGLD. I'm in EGLD hard. One of my biggest holdings. What's going on with EGLD? Well, let's take a look. Why did it stop here? What was protecting it from more of a dump? You know. Now you can see it came right down to its previous low, which is right there. You made me chuckle when you talked about TA on flowers and bushes. Could you chart the meaning of life? I see support at 42. Shout out to Light in the Dark. I know, right? Works us, man. I sent a link for some up and down desks. Xenos. Where did you send the link? To me in the Telegram? Send it in my Telegram if you can. Bullish patterns on the Celsius chart. What are your thoughts? We'll take a look at Celsius. I'd like to find a bullish pattern today. There's nothing else I would rather do than find a bullish pattern. You know, and you can almost cut. You know, what's crazy is you could almost call this an M pattern, you know. I mean, you could call it an M. That's an M. And the M had a measured move. This is crazy how TA works out, but the M had a measured move, which is the length of there to there, bring it down. We could have went lower, but, you know, the bearish tones played out, you know. Already went through MemePad. Yeah, we did. We went to MemePad. We talked about the old memes. The old memes a lot. Light determines what you see and how you see it. Imagine trading in the dark without the lifer. Dude, that's crazy, man. Congrats on AK Lifer. Cheers to more in the future, man. Thank you very much. Already went through MemePad. Yeah. Bullish patterns on the Celsius chart, man. So, EGLD. Now, I would have to pull a fib on this and see what's going on. Honestly, they destroyed market structure. So they took away a lot of my edge when they did this, because I had an edge when I knew the pattern. I had an edge when I saw everything going on. So now what I do is I wait for market to find its structure again, so I can start putting together the pieces of the story. So right here we have a retracement to the 706, 786 retracement. Now we're about at the 618, getting a little bit rejected by the 618. You know, I'd like to see us break above the 618. That's when I would begin to long again on EGLD. Now you can see we were in a beautiful pattern that broke to the downside. I mean, that's just what happened. Rising wedge. And this is a rising wedge, and it broke. Started to break. It retested the bottom trend line, and then it tanked down. Right? Very similar to the Bitcoin idea here. No fear. Downtown is here. Shout out to Downtown, man. Much respect. Do you think we're in a bear market? Honestly, I'm not going to say yes or no yet. I'm still kind of assessing that because there's a chance we are. I'm open-minded to believe that we are. Got my pancake churro, wall hanging swagger. I won't give up on cake. Thanks for being real about the market. Good content. Dope hoodie. Shout out to everybody, man. Got my pancake hoodie, man. Stack them, baby. Stack them. Oh! I hit a light real quick. Stack them. Stack them pancakes, baby. There's nothing else you can do in this game. No fear. Downtown is here. Got my pancake churro wall, man. You guys are funny, man. Congrats on AK. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, so it was still on EGLD, so it broke on down. That was the measured move. And now it's at support. So that's really what you want to get in at $100. EGLD making its way back up to the top of the pattern. But right now, everything's kind of in a waiting period, waiting on Bitcoin. You know, and the 4 hour is oversold overbought on a lot of stuff. Even though it looks like we may double top up here, all odds in that 4 hour. I just got deja vu. I just got deja vu that we had a big dump. Here is some pizza money, bro. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. And you delivering pizzas, throwing me the pizza money, man. Thank you very much. Much respect to you, Rodney. Thank you very, very much. Respect to everyone throwing it down, helping me out in these bare tones. Because I'm live every single day, keeping it real with you guys. Kicking it, kicking it, kicking it. Did I really make it to the end? No. Impossible. This is hot. Just from the way this starts, I like it. I like the snaps. Chimera's in the frame. Get a sandbag. No, the Chimera's up here. This is the Chimera. It's out. It's out. It's out. I will get a sandbag. Why don't I hire you? You could just kind of live in my house, and you could do all the lighting. Someone dropped the timestamp on the MemePad. Just tracked back full stream and didn't find it. You'll get there. Don't worry. How could you track back, man? I got a tracking. I'm able to track at the speed of light. I'm always trying to help somebody. Look, he's trying to figure it out. There's MemePad right there. Oh, we did it right after we did Velorex, and then we did MemePad. Right there. There's MemePad right there. Look, I just found it for you. I just found it for you that fast, dude. MemePad 5019. Done. Come on, man. Another thought that BTC could leg up to 42K and create a normal head and shoulders back down to 33K. Also, did you get my DM the other day, Lifer? Love you, bro. I would only work for you now. I'd appreciate that, man. I would appreciate that. Someone dropped the timestamp on the MemePad. I got you, bro. Dua Lipa, Coldplay, Martin Garrix, and Kygo, the Chainsmoker style, feeling me, playing this, bro. Good vibes only. I want to, but then I have to pay because they're all, you know, commercial songs. Damn, man, we were going well too. Right before that huge crash, even in the crash, the day of my crash, we got to the most watches we ever saw. Man, my channel got. I don't understand how YouTube plays with the channels, but love you, bro. I would only work for you, man. Thank you, Duke Visions. Someone dropped the time. I got you, Duke Visions. Anytime, man. Anytime. Is that Phil, man? Makes me think of Duke Visual, you know. Cardano back to 150. Wouldn't it have been nice to sell our Cardano all the way at the top at 250? It's like they knew something was going down. Pretty sketchy, honestly. So this is what I do. Whenever we see something like this, you just have to kind of move forward with the idea that we were in a pattern, and now we're back in the same pattern. That's how I play these. So right now, like Cardano back in the pattern again. So now I just want to see it just kind of like stay in here until it breaks on out. Maybe come back down to 137, up and down, and then break out again. So Cardano's still pretty bullish to me because it's still stuck into this area. I have a horrible news for you guys. So I shot the Frankenstein video. It took me like 2 hours to shoot because it had so much stuff to it. Then I edited it. It took me like an hour and a half one night, and then I came back and did it for 2 hours last night. I finished editing it. I'm completely done. Completely done. And guys, someone modify him, please. He's going hard. Come on. Invest in Lifercoin. Easy 100x is boring. Can't wait for your 800k subs, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. 800k, man. That would be amazing. Come on, JP Crypto. Come on, man. Can I get a mod in here, please? You guys are going to make me mod my own show. Damn, man. I do everything. I get no help. I get no love in this world. It was timed out by Kevin Tam. Thank you so much, Kevin. Appreciate that, man. Terra Luna coin, man. Have some respect for yourself. Honestly, someone that does that has no respect for themselves. Right? No respect for himself. I get it. I actually wanted to go over Luna in a little while, but now I can't. 100% will FOMO into Lifercoin. Papa Portals. Prediction for Shiba Inu. I'll drag him outside. Thank you, Roddy. Do what you got to do, man. I'll look the other way. Make me mod. I got you. And then he got his retraced. Hold up. I made you a moderator, bro. Did Bitcoin bounce off the trend line? You saw someone say we're back in business. I mean, dude, just saw someone say. Also, now you think we're back in business because you saw someone say it? LOL. I was going to show Harvey's comment. I know, he was just saying, let's go, brother. There you go, bro. There you go. What happened with the vid you were talking about, Lever? So, yeah, so I make the vid. It looks awesome. It's done last night. Look, I could show you the vid, and I could show you all the hard work that I put out. And then my computer says, oh, I'm full. So I'm like, oh, my God, I got to take off space. And I'm always spitting videos out. So I went to the video section, and I was like, all right, I got to edit and delete some stuff. So I forget that I delete the main source file that I was working on. And next thing you know, my whole video is offline. I spent 2 hours last night from about 11 to 1 in the morning trying to get the file back. And I know all the file back things, and I have a system. But what I think happened was it just freaking deleted it because it needed space. Now, you can always bring things back in the recycle bin, but this thing never showed back up in the recycle bin again. It was weird. Like, this one file just refused to ever show up again. Just never found the file again. No matter how hard I looked for it, no matter what I did, didn't matter. It was like a conspiracy against me. And I was like, man, I'm not going to finish this video. I was really depressed about it because it was like such a sick video, and I worked on it so hard. Like, you have no idea, guys. And this is what the weird thing is. It was on 5/22. There was a 5/17 video, 5/18. And I had software, dude. I have software called EaseUse. It could have been too big. It was a big file. It was a very big file. Yeah. So I lost my video. I'm going to have to reshoot it today. And like, that's a lot because it was like, it took me a long time to make. So I kind of got, last night was kind of like like I was like, respect the time and effort you put in this, mate. Great live stream. Starting to tune in on the regular. Shout out to Papa Portals, man. I've seen big files do that too. Yeah, I could never get the file back. Never found it again. It was gone. It was gone. It was gone forever, man. I did all my recovery stuff that I know how to do, and it was absolutely gone.
What's going on, everybody out there in the YouTube network? You're here with the Remote Chief, and it's going to be another amazing adventure. I'm heading out to Connecticut. We're going to shoot a...
Just funny. That's the old show. I want to quit my government job and dive into this crypto rabbit hole. It's absolutely mind-blowing. You will, man. You will. Shout out to you, man. You will. You do whatever you want to do in this life. If this is what you want to do, you will do it. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. So ever since it came out, it's just been down in the dumps. But you know what? That's where you want to buy stuff. I mean, this thing was in the dumps before the rest of the market. Kind of gives you a sense of, like, you know, you want to buy these rounded bowls. We talk about it all the time. You're an inspiration, bro. Thank you very much. Yo, Lifer, do you mind if I share my link here for input? We are live testing. I don't know what you mean. It probably won't let you share a link, but you could try it. I also want to quit my government job. Same here. DXY keeps dumping. The printing won't stop. Soon inflation will keep going up. Yeah, that's why I don't understand too why Why we're worried about Bitcoin, right? Let's take a look at the DXY. Dollar index, if you're not sure what that is, it's the dollar. Wow, look at it, just on a downward spiral. But that's where I said it would go. Remember, I saw there was a shoulder, head, and shoulder. I said that's a shoulder, head, and shoulder. We should dump to the downside. Down, up, coming back down, all the way to the downside. Bam, right there at 85. So looks like the dollar index is going to continue to dump. There's no reason to, there's nothing stopping it. There's nothing stopping it. We break this 89, 117 area right here. That's its last hope for support. And then it's gone. It's gone. They have killed the dollar, man. It's already gone. It's really already gone. They have destroyed the hopes of ever putting your money in the dollar and actually saving some of your money. I mean, that's a joke. Your wealth, your value. This channel is awesome. Killer vibes coming from here. Woo! Yeah, man. We got the good vibes, man. We got the good vibes. Shout out to everyone here with the good vibes, man. Love you all. Thank you so much for being a part of the live stream. Hey, the live stream doesn't work if you don't work it. Remember that, guys. The live stream does not work if you don't work it. Shout out to Wrenchy T, man. Up in the spot. Shout out to everyone here, man. Thank you guys for coming on in. Thank you for being a part of the live stream. Jasol, we should have you on the live one day. Just have you talk. Just hear you talk about life and kind of what you think about, like, where we're going in the universe. YouTube viewers need to join Livers Telegram. Link in the video description. Yeah, check it out. We got an awesome Telegram. Hit the link to my Telegram right here. Boom. That'll bring you to my trading group. Once you get acclimated with us, you'll probably love us. You'll want to join my Patreon. $99 a month. We have an awesome group. Beginners channel, Uniswap channel, Binance Smart Chain, interesting stuff. And then my exclusive calls and what I'm thinking about, what I'm looking at, what I buy and sell, exactly what I'm looking at, what I find out about on the live stream. If you didn't watch the live stream, I kind of give you guys like an update of what we looked at, what goes on. So, Jasole. And there's Jasole every time. You know what I'm saying? Never misses a beat, never misses a day. He's been here since the very beginning. But so we have a Patreon. I also do tutoring, one-on-one tutoring. If you would like that, I go over, proper risk management, how to trade, how to look at the market, how to look at market cycles, how to use small or larger portions of your money, and why at different times, right? You've seen me many times sell the top. I sold Burger at the top. I sold Waves at the top. I sold many things. I told you guys to sell Matic right here. And again, don't do anything I tell you to do in this channel. None of this is financial advice. But I was like, guys, sell Matic right here. When it was at 250 2 days ago on the channel, I said, time to take some profits. What do you think or know of Velorex crypto? You guys keep coming out Velorex, and I'm not going to talk about it again. If you people ask for Celsius, it held up very well. I'll join Patreon next month, I think. Hey, it's up to you, man. It's up, whatever you want to do, Matt Mulkeen. Matt Mulkeen, good Irish boy. Let's take a look at Celsius Network. Celsius, the greatest holdings in the world. My Celsius bags. Celsius USDT on BitTorrent. At Mikey Jordan, I'm holding on BTT and Wink coins, and also Atari and BTCST. Atari looks out. Yeah, you're right. Celsius doing the same thing that we saw HNT do. And you know why Celsius held up? Because of those rewards, right? People aren't going to sell something that's doing that well, right? So $6.71. It came all the way back down to $4.50 and bounced back up. Celsius holding itself really, really well, actually. Wow. That's something you actually may want to just get into. It looks like a stable coin at this point. So Celsius looking really nice. Thank you for bringing that up on our radar. So Celsius looking nice. Oh, look what I saw, actually. A slight cup and handle for Celsius. There's your cup. And there's your handle there. Elongated handle, a bit of a mess, but it is what it is. Got to make the best of what you can here in this market cycle. We're back into the pattern, though, and right there, we could come back down one more time. $6 Celsius and then pump. Celsius had no security or guarantee if it's hacked. It's in the literature. That's kind of crazy. That's weird. A few more pizza deliveries, and I'm joining, bro. Shout out to Rodney Robinson, man. Much respect to you, my friend. There's a better chart on Celsius. Hit BTC. There's Bitfinex as well. Might be a little longer. There's the Hit BTC chart. Thank you for saying that. And so far, this is my call for Celsius. Look, I put a call out for this to buy right there in the buy zone. This is one of the few trades that's actually still up. And they tried to get us wicked out, but this is still up. Look, there's the cup and handle, though. Same thing we just talked about. Yeah, this looks hot. Seems like it's forming the same pattern that it just formed over here. Look, there's the cup, there's the handle, kind of did its cup, handle, kind of doing its thing. So we found HNT and we found Celsius. These are the only few things that are like still kind of in their support region. Still holding up inside of a pennant, about to break to the upside. So this looks nice to me right now at 671. Should I hold ETH? How do I protect myself from inflation? Aldridge Finesca asks. I buy gold and silver, man. I buy gold and silver. I really do. I keep gold and silver as a very large portion of my portfolio. Physical gold and silver. Physical gold and silver at all times, man. Physical gold and silver, man. As much as you can, when you can. Quick look at Bitcoin. Might be dumping. Might be. Might be. Come on, man. I told you to be careful, man. Telcoin versus Fantom. I can't decide. Honestly, Telcoin already had huge pumps. Fantom did too. But Fantom's more sustainable. I don't. Honestly, that's a good one. I don't know if I could decide either. Split it, man. Pick half. Go for broke, bro. I see it coming all the way back down here. 28,000. Bitcoin's coming to 28,000. And it's coming back up. And then it could even retest 24,000, 23,000. When it happens, you can't say that I did not say it. You cannot say that I did not say it. I wasn't like, oh, we're bullish all the way to the moon every single day. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. But right now, we are entering a downtrend, and this could be a bear market. Get yourself ready. Like, start to sell out of things. Take at least 25% of your money off the table. Have at least 50 grand to live on. 40 grand to live on. If you've made a few $100,000 in the last few months, put 50 grand aside for yourself, at least. Fantom is yet to really pump like Matic, but Matic has more going for it, more coming for its ecosystem. I don't know, man. I disagree. And I'm going to show you some things about Fantom and Matic that you don't even know about. So I'm going to blow your mind. So stay tuned for more, guys. I'm going to show you so many different awesome, amazing things. And we're going to break through the charts. Kevin, I need help organizing myself. I'm going to have a meeting with you every day. There's so many videos that we need to grab outside of the live streams that are inside the live streams right now. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. And they need to be taken out. One of them is when I did Bitcoin recently, if you guys remember, I showed you how Bitcoin goes into rising wedges and just does double bottoms. And I went over that over and over and over again throughout one thing. And Jacob Newcomb, should I be hodling ETH? It's up to you, man. It's completely up to you. Is Bitcoin dumping? I think Bitcoin's dumping again. Oh my God. So you want to know if Bitcoin's dumping, guys. Look, I try to help you guys out. No one seems to listen to me. Look, you're a pattern trader. You make patterns and you hold them until they decide to break or not. So Bitcoin's not dumping. It hit the top of the channel. You get it? On the 15-minute. And I said to wait for Bitcoin to come down here to open the trade. I said that, so no one listens to me. I can tell no one's listening. Or certain people aren't listening to me. So check it out. We went over this early on the live stream. I'm going to go over it one more time for you guys. All right? It gets irritating repeating myself over here. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I don't mind. So take a look. I mean, this is kind of a cup and handle on the 15-minute. Not perfect. Slight. Shout out to Mix. Thanks for being you, man. 1999, man. Yo, you're the man, dude. PolkaEx. Why not Polka Swap? PolkaDex. Hey, I'm with you, Maddie. You know why? Because we already got into PolkaEx, not PolkaDex. PolkaEx. Best to learn is CorGB. Best to earn. Yeah, if you want to hit me up, we could come up with some timestamps to pull. 58K incoming. That's crazy, man. Bitcoin and Atari coin. Bonfire. I love Bonfire. This isn't the first time you've put this CorGB on my radar. CorgiB, crypto. Polka Foundry, we like that. Pirate Chain for the long run, gonna rock. Suggestions on BTSC and Atari Coin. Crema Panchel. Shout out to Crema. CorgiB is reaching top. Visit CorgiB website. I can't even find this thing, man. CorgiCoin? Or CorgiB? Corgi Uno? I don't know, man. Corgis. Gonna have to watch this video. Stupid work keeps interrupting me. Oh, that dumb work. I mean, this thing's up huge. It says, I don't know. I don't even want to look at this stuff anymore. I really don't. I'm getting kind of sick of it. No longer available, man. Wow. Shady business. So, guys, just remember, we're in this channel. As long as we stay in this channel, so if you want to play Bitcoin, you buy it anywhere in here and put a stop loss below this trend line. Like right there at 35. And see if you can long it all the way back to 45,000. That's it. I believe we will touch the 200 EMA on the 1 hour and then come back down. I don't know. We're in a bit of a panic right now. We'll see what happens. CorgiB is a scam, bro. I know. Like, get out of here, man. Holding a bag of profit with CorgiB. I believe we will touch the 2MA. All work outside gardening is stupid compared to crypto. Dude, all work outside gardening is... Dude, but you get to work outside and garden? I mean, that's amazing. We like real projects. We do. Shout out to Mike Jordan. I appreciate you, man. You're a real lifer, bro. I'm happy I found some real ones out there, man. Some people that I can really, really feel the, like, I feel the love, I feel the support, and I feel the realness. Like, someone that's, like, willing to go all the way. That's what I feel from you, Mike. Someone that's willing to go all the way, man. Someone that's not willing to just want to go sideways, man. Wants to go all the way hard, man. So we look at total 2. It just kind of... This is the entire market cap of all the cryptos, all the altcoins, and, you know, it was in a rising wedge that kind of hit its point. But you know what? It's kind of funny. I mean, that's its low. Everything just is waiting in time. Thank you, sir. You are a real one too, man. You could trade in your garden. Yeah, we can. You like KuCoin shares, Sam? I love KuCoin shares, bro. China Fund news just out. That would be perfection. Dude, China FUD, man. I love it, man. They just keep coming out. While the recent China FUD is bullish for Bitcoin. I love this. Same old song with China regulator issues and crypto ban. Long history of FUD. Bitcoin will drop to 250,000 from 400K in 2025 upon China FUD. I love it. Bitcoin will keep surging despite old China FUD. Rumors about China banning crypto reemerged with the 100th time. This is something they've actually already did back in 2017. According to the crypto analyst Lark Davis, Bitcoin will keep surging despite old China FUD. However, the crypto investors who made panic selling in 2021 will cry in 25 due to the same FUD. Funny, right? The year is 2025. Bitcoin just corrected from 40K to 250 on China banning Bitcoin fears. 3 days later, it revealed that the ban FUD was simply repeating the laws passed in 2013. Whales bought the dip. You cry because you panic sold at 30K in 2021 due to the same FUD. I love it, man. Hey, Lyle, love from India. Any suggestions for Bitcoin T and Atari coins I am holding on to? Pravanal Patel. Let's take a look. Fear makes you broke. Yeah, man. Who else is about to light it up? Ooh, wow, watch out. Maddie, who knows? All the way up there in Quebec, man. Did you eat lunch yet? No, I did not eat lunch yet, man. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Much respect to you, man. Much respect to you. Thank you very, very much. Very nice of you. I usually don't even eat lunch. It's like, I eat like breakfast and I eat like something my wife gives me during the day. I don't even remember. She kind of like feeds me while I work. If they banned it twice this week, then it's unbanned now, right? Funny. Let's take a look at Atari. What is Atari? Atari is like the coin from Atari. It's on you. ETH, wrapped ETH for Atari. Let's take a look where we can find this thing. Atari. I ate like 4 times already. Same here. Gotta fast, man. If they ban it twice a week, then it's unbanned now, yeah. 13 cents for Atari coin. Where can you buy this thing? Probably in Uniswap, I'm guessing. Oh, Hotbit and HitBTC and the Bitcoin exchange. So not too many places. So Atari or ATRI. That's why I probably couldn't find it. Atari, ATRI. $119 million market cap, right? Atari chain. I mean, I'm sure it has something to do with the video game, right? Atari is the token. Atari chain, so much more than video games. We are building the token that will power the future of interactive entertainment industry. Entertainment industry. It's weird. There was like an echo there. Is it this cup? Hello, check 1 2 1 2. Over and out, guys. I like Atari token. That's just kind of crazy, right? China mines away at Bitcoin like no one else. I know. Hit the like button. They're amassing they're amassing gold and they're amassing Bitcoin. They're not slow, man. They know what they're doing. China mines away at Bitcoin like nobody else is. What coins are you holding? I'm holding a lot of coins, man, and I'll let you know if you join my Patreon. So check it out. Welcome. So much more than video games. The Atari token is good to be used as a widely possible across interactive entertainment industry. This is a long-term project with amazing ambitions, and we are glad to share our key achievements and upcoming milestones with you. You will find below a summary of our vision, our partners, and our roadmap. The Atari token is currently available for purchase with the following channels. CoinMarketCap. The Atari token. A tree. Look, it's a tree. I climbed a tree. Let's take a look here. Trying to mine away. What coins are you holding? So I can't. It's hard to get something on this. Let me go to Coin Trader Pro. Oops, sorry. I wanted the USDT pair. Yeah, so like every coin, it went to the high, was doing great, and then we got dumped on. I mean, now it's like, where are we going to go? What are we going to do? You know, oversold. The whole market's in sitting there, man. So it's up to you, man. Zhonghua was the real deal. China is just a corporation owned by the Rothschilds. I believe that. I believe that. Yeah, it's the same as America, though. All these countries are corporations owned by the Rothschilds. I mean, isn't that? That's kind of what it is. Could you tell me more about Patreon? Is it signals or what? Okay, if you join my Patreon, every Wednesday night at 6 p.m., I do a live stream with my crew. So we do like a live stream share together where we talk, we go over things. And then on top of that, I have a trading room of 2,700 people that, you know, people are always sending us coins, talking about different things. Really interesting place like Cinnamon Finance. I mean, we're not really into this, but these things keep coming out. I mean, this is probably 70 cents. Wow, the TVL is 27,000. It's been only going for 15. Oh, it's coming out in 15 hours. So the farm's about to start. If you can get into these the second they start and then sell them in 2-3 hours, they could be very nice. Fantom coming to zombie farms soon. Fantom is FAN though. I don't believe. Maybe it is PH. You're probably right. I've probably been saying it wrong the whole time. Let's take a look at the Fantom. I thought it was FAN though. Fantom. Yeah, it's Fantom, man. The Fantom network. You're scaring me for a second. I'm like, ooh, 30 cents, man. Fantom's sitting pretty right now. You can't beat it any cheaper than that. I mean, I love this project. I know what it stands for. I know what it is. It's amazing. Fantom, man. It has its own mainnet, guys. So you don't have to deal with the Ethereum mainnet. You can deal with Fantom and just do it all you want. It's really nice. Yeah. Heck yeah, my crypto tee just arrived. Woohoo. Yo, take a picture of it, man, and send it into the Telegram. I want to see you wearing the Crypto Lifer t-shirt. That's awesome, man. That's so sick. What coins you holding, bro? Atari and Decentraland. With Manas. I see what you're doing there. I see what you're doing there. Getting crazy with it, huh? Jasole. Shout out to everyone here. Fantom coming to zombie. Yo, you said it, Sam. The real deal is Fantom. Just bought some yesterday. Fantom, man. Yo, I love this. This is going to be an amazing project. It's going to scale really well. It's going to do really well. It's going to follow PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap was 60 cents and went all the way to $44, man. This thing can easily get to $10, $20 a coin. Market cap? Almost $1 billion, though. Can you believe that? I mean, this thing has so much more room to grow, though. Fantom, man. I'm just saying, man. Don't forget. Don't slip. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Let's take a look at Matic. Remember, I did FOMO into Matic yesterday. Let's take a look at what I see here for Matic. So this is my idea to buy Matic here. Open, you know, open down there about right on this line right there. It's forming a bit of a, you know, bit of a pennant wedge. Yeah, so this is what I see happening. There's a cup. There's your handle breaking to the upside, getting all the way up here to about $2.79. That's going to be my target on this pump. You know, from there, I mean, obviously, I think it going even higher. But, and I said to sell half here at about $2.41. Let it rip. So can Matic show us what's going down? I mean, right now, 1 hour is ready to rock. 4 hour may double top, and the daily's in our favor. So all three time frames show momentum. MACD about to turn too. So get ready, man. And this is what you do. It's the same scenario. Buy right here, put a stop loss below the 200-day moving average, 148. You can't beat that idea. You really can't. You see what I'm saying? Because if it breaks down, it breaks down, and you get kicked out of the trade. Oh, well. But if not, you get to make a move. So Matic. Let's take a look at the Matic BTC pair. Because I believe we kind of want to take advantage of the Matic BTC. If Matic pumps today, it's definitely going to outperform BTC. So look at Matic and the BTC pair doing well as well, right? I like this trade right now. Look at it. It's in a beautiful pennant. Just starting to break on out. Momentum on the 1 hour. Ready to rock after a double bottom. 4 hour curling, but starting to get a bit of a move there. Could we push on out? We could. I've seen double tops do some crazy things. Like right there, there's a double top. And boom, we boomed up huge out that double top. And then went sideways to continue to the upside. So, Matic, man. I got a Coinbase Pro going here. And I'm gonna Coinbase Pro right now. I'm gonna ladder into Matic right now, just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. So check it out. I still remember Mr. Miyagi. I'm thinking of getting into Matic BTC right now. That's kind of the trade that I'm looking at right now. I haven't made a trade, right, on live maybe in a couple days since I sold off some things. Like I sold off Burger at 28. The market was just extended. Things were flying, right? There was money coming at us every which way. It was insane. It was absolutely insane, right? So I want to trade this default portfolio. Matic BTC is the idea here. Oh, come on. And we're out of here at 7 on the 30. We're going to take a break. And see what's going on here. Okay. Hey, it's funny, right? It's cool. I like to watch the trades happen like on the API. It's kind of interesting, right? So if like if I 3 comma in there and I API to the back end, but I watch the trade occur. Damn, man, they really took us down. Smart trade it, dude. You just got to smart trade, dude. You smart trade your way out of anything, dude. You're a smart kid. You can smart trade. You know how to do it, dude. You know how to smart trade yourself out. Just do what you got to do, dude. Like, but I can't, Johnny. I can't. I've always had a hard time smart trading. You can do this. You can do this. I'm being stupid. So look, we're going to take some Matic BTC, right? So we'll show you the trade, man. The trade would just be to play this bull pennant. Okay? So here. Go to Matic BTC, and you're going to trade this bull pennant. It's that simple. Stop loss right here. So you could put a stop loss at right below this wick. That wick is buy pressure telling you that people want to get back in, especially on the 4 hour, right? So I got to use the 1 hour to really be more precise. So my stop loss could be at 480, 4080, right? Just going to show you the trade. I'm going to show you a real trade. All right. So we're going to go in for about $1,000, which is 0.3, right? Because look, right now I got 3 grand, which is 0.9, right? If I used 100 of it, if I use 25 of it, that's a quarter of it, right? Which is about 750, right? So then if I go to like, it's easy just to do this. You just divide 1,000 by the price of Bitcoin right now, which is 37, right? And 0.026443. And so that's what we do there. .02643. Make sure you put the 0 there. If it would let me. There you go. Slow on this. Now we hit a limit. A limit there. Alright. Take profit. Stop loss. I'm trying to make some Bitcoin on this pump. Alright, and this Matic pump. This isn't about getting Bitcoin. This is about getting out and getting in. So I'm trying to get in and get to the target at 6196. So I'm going to get out a little early. It's 5896. All right. So my target is going to be 5896. All right. My stop loss, right, is going to be below the 200-day moving average. 3811. Let's see if we can handle that. I mean, that's going to be 1,000. We're going to lose 170 bucks in the trade, 17%. Right, 10% will be $100. So we lose 170 to gain 28%. Not the best trade, honestly, but it's starting to make its move up out of the pattern there. So I could even bring my stop loss a little low, a little higher. Like we could be like, you could risk like 3,989 almost, 4,000 even. Lose 12%, 120 to try to gain 280. Right? And that's just I'm just trying to teach you guys how to make a trade in these volatile situations. Right? And use the bid, not the ask, because you never know. Right? And then we're going to create the trade. Still holding audio. I like to see the trade get made on the order book. And we got placed. We'll see what happens. We're not in the trade yet. We got placed. But I like Matic here against Bitcoin. I do. I think it's going to make a big move against Bitcoin. So, That's the plan and that's the play. Wow. Kava BTC barely holding on. What I like about it, look, you can see it shows you your stop loss right there, shows you your buy right there, and it shows you your take profit all in the chart. Right? I should be able to just drag that. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, you can, look. That's pretty sick. So you can just drag and drop all this stuff around. Drag your take profit. I love that. I love it. That's why I love this program, man. Sick. Oh, so we got in and we took a dump already on us. But I didn't want to get there. I wanted to get in at the ask at 5. Funny. We'll see how it goes. And that's why you put a stop loss. We'll see how this trades. Try to see if we can play this double bottom pennant. So all you can do is trade the same way over and over and over and over again. Cool. Catching up, seeing what's the play for today. Stack my change. Gonna dump some more. Bitcoin gonna dump some more again later back to 35. What are your thoughts on ETH? Also all-time high. I think it gets to 20K, man. You know. Yeah. Man, you make me want to buy more Matic. Please no anti-Semitic tropes. Just be aware that blaming the Rothschilds is historically one of them. Don't want to get into any political discussion. Just want to be respectfully point out. No, I mean, that's not anti-Semitic, bro. Come on, man. The Rothschilds run the world, bro. Like, let's get real. That's not anti-Semitic. Don't even use that word. Come on, man. That word has no place here. Yeah. Like, do your research, man. Like, come on, man. They run the Federal Reserve. Like, do your research. I have 2 ETH. Should I hold till the end of the year? I would continue to hold my ETH. I have more than 2 ETH that I'm holding for a long, long time. I do like XRP against ETH right now, though. That's going to be a call that I'm looking at. Look at XRP, ETH. XRP, Ethereum. Now, look like it's going to start to break up soon. There you go. There's a cup. There's a handle. Right? That's why I would start to get into the trade right there. I'm telling you, man. XRP ETH looks hot to me. I like this trade right now, and I'm standing by it. So, I'm sticking to it. Sticking to this trade. I really like this trade to make some ETH off the XRP. Right now, I think this is the time to take advantage of the pairs that are offset. So you can use them to your advantage. That's my idea. That's my plan. That's kind of the goal. Right? Solana back at $28, man. You can't beat Solana at 28 bucks, man. Multi-V, damn, man. Avalanche, like, I'm still in shock what they did to this market. Reef 26, two pennies, like, wow. I'm in shock, man. I'm still in shock. Like, I look back now, I'm like, wow, what happened this week? Like, we were doing so well. Like, the market was killing it for so long, man. It's crazy, man. It's just crazy when I really see it for what it is. Well, it's 11:30, guys. I'm out of here for the day. Thank you so much for being here. 9:30 to 11:30 every single day, man. Religion is already complicated enough, and we are busy learning to trade. Yeah, I don't want to get into that. Yeah, probably calm down if you want to super chat him. Yeah. Could you check out Frank, please, Lifer? That comment was so dumb it hurt my brain. They do run the world. It's historically what of the no I get it. Oh my god. You know why I like the Irish? Because the Irish never cried, man. You know what I'm saying? Drop that beat and rap since the stream is over, man. David King Morales. Good vibes. This is all that turns around. We can ride that same ride we already rode up for even more gains. I believe you, man. Great live, bro. Good bless, man. Yeah, look, anti-Semitic change from black to white. Pretend Israelites. That's why my parents left Zionism. That was forced on them by the House of Roth. Complete criminals. Cabal. He's on point. This guy, I'm going to show that. He knows exactly what he's talking about. Massive candle on the 1 minute. You guys are hilarious. There's no such thing as a massive candle on the 1 minute. That's an oxymoron. Oh my god, that's a massive candle on the 1 minute, dude. Whoa. Bitcoin just went from like 34K all the way to like... I mean, that is pretty crazy though. Oh no, that's the daily. So I'll go to the daily and you freaking got me. Massive candle on the 1 minute. Well, for my... Yeah, pretty massive. I'll give it to you. 37 all the way to 38. You just keep playing with this 38K. Dude, guys, that's just the top of this channel. Look. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. It's got to come back down. 36,000. You must be a little Jewish, then you cry every other stream. I actually have, I have Heitman. I went through my whole thing, and I have Heitman in there. About to rewind and catch up after the stream. I'll be in the Telegram still. Green breadstick forming on Bitcoin BTC. A green breadstick. There's a little bit of Jew in us all. I have Jewish in me. I went through my that ancestry.com, and it was, I saw that my mom's mother's mother was from All Saints Lorraine, and she was German. She was German and French. And then I went to the German side and I got all the way to Heitman and found out that like 4 generations before that. See you tonight after delivering pizzas. LOL. Bro, when you're watching on the 1 minute. Is Vet gonna rise? Thanks, lifer. Religion aside. Programming of the masses is norm, but the age of information is a choice to remain ignorant. I agree. It's a choice to remain ignorant when you can learn everything you need to know. You can see it for what it is. You guys know who's full of hate and who's not. Close your eyes and you'll identify the true meaning of who is after what you want, like who's trying to take something from you and who's trying to help you. And you'll see. Give a prediction about Wink. And now I'm gonna go, because that guy cried like a baby for like an hour. Go over my coin. I don't have to go over anybody's coin at any moment. It's funny, like it's all kind of like, just like you guys give me a like. You don't have to give the like, but you give the like, right? It's all like a give and take. You know what I'm saying? It's all a give and take. Cinnamon has turned up. Salmon M has turned up. Is that what you're saying, mankind? Yeah, AI tripping. Grabbed a bunch of BNB at 240. Look at him, man. I have Jewish too, but I have more mankind than Zam. Man, making over humankind any day. Man king over humankind. I feel you, man. Yo, shout out to altruism first, man. I like you, man. Respect to you, man. I like what you're saying there. Any thoughts on DFNY? I'm from Mars. I know you are, Maddie. Do you support Israel? No comment, man. I'm not getting into any of that stuff. Great stream, lifer, man. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington, man. Much respect to you, man. Why did you delete Maddie's message that says I'm from Mars, bro? He can't say that? He can say that. He can say I'm from Mars, man. I think you did the wrong one. Highest vibes to everyone. Have a great day. You refused the Wink prediction. This is hell's review. Chill, people. This is a crypto chat. Keep it crypto. Yeah, I'm not getting into like this guy, man. Honestly, no one should support anyone that's hurting anybody for any reason. If two people can't just put their sides down and not let little kids die, like, I don't support anyone that hurts little children. I don't care who it is. Either side, yo. If you're hurting little kids, if something you're doing is indirectly hurting a child, I don't support you. I don't support you. What's your prediction overall market in the next month? Big up from England, man. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, people getting crazy, man. Let's get back into Wink. People would turn this into a mess if they could. They would ruin my channel if they could. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if there's like someone, my competitors, sending people in here to get me off topic. So we'll stay on topic. So me, Wings forming that right shoulder, man. I mean, that's what, honestly, it all depends on Bitcoin, man. Everything is following Bitcoin. You don't even have to chart these coins. You just chart Bitcoin. But I believe it's going to make a right shoulder, something like this. You gave an answer. We need crypto raps. Drop the beat. Music heals and unites. Music heals. What up, Lever? Any thoughts on cummies? Looks like it's in a bowl towards the cup and handle. Damn, you guys are still kill that noise. I'm about getting money. Yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Crypto is a free world with no bankers, no cabal, no dark forces. Sorry. Are you a Zionist or an anti-Zionist? You people are nuts. Enjoy your day, lifer, sir. And don't forget to buy PolkaSwap. I believe you, man. Let's stop the political discussion and have please for that killing the vibe. Yeah. Crypto and music unites the world, man. Yeah. I know who's my people. My Jewish mother never supported or will support Israel, China, or any state that enslaves, tortures, or wars against those closest to creation. They are our young ones. They are the treasures. Yo, shout out to altruism first, man. I love it, man. Yeah, it's just about love, man. It's not about anything else. What is your real ID on Telegram? Damn, that sounds threatening. That sounds threatening, man. At crypto_lifer, man. So there I think Wing could break on out, but honestly everything depends on Bitcoin at this moment. And we're all oversold on the daily on everything. So we should get a reversal. Crypto is like you, we talk crypto no matter what you believe or where you're from. Yeah, we don't care. On the sidelines to get into Teller or TRB. Let's take a look at TRB for you, man. Yeah, it's the thing. I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you're into crypto, I love you and I'm going to help you. And that's the idea here, man. Because I'm not going to change my tune for what other people are feeling or what other people go through. Or where, you know, I'm going to continue to love and be good to all humans, no matter what. Anyone that thinks they can justify violence has a problem, man. Just Google history. Just Google the history and see, just go through the history of life and see, man. Like, look at the Irish. The Irish never really messed with another country. They kind of kept to their own, man. They stayed up in Ireland and did their thing. Like, you know. Frogs rock, bro. I don't call them children, but young ones, and they deserve to inherit good crypto, not digital Fed coins. Someone scamming people by your name on Telegram. This guy, no they're not, man. This guy's a weirdo, bro. I don't want to listen to this guy anymore. He's a weirdo. And they all died from famine. Yeah, like he should definitely report that. Bro, dropped in and usually hang out in the background. Interesting chat. People learn from this guy and his TA. Solid. Sheesh. People learn from this guy and his TA. The publicity on your channel are about crypto. Oh my god, man. Alright, I'm out of here, man. I can't handle it today. I really can't. It's too much. It's too much. Thank you guys so much for being here. No Tino. Pattern is forming on... check out my sculptures at MindX4X. I'll check that out. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Hold on. I'm an artist. Whenever an artist says, check out my sculpture, I'm about that. See you, dude. Shout out to everyone, man. Follow me at Crypto Lifer. Maddie Cooper, let's see what you got. Oh, these are hot, bro. Are you kidding me? You make this stuff, bro? This is hot. Who panic sold the bottom? I like it. You make this, bro? Bro. Can you make me one? Like, this is sick. Yo, this is sick artwork, bro. All grenade orders. Yo, this is crazy stuff, bro. I'm like really into this. Like, this is nuts. Look at this. Dude, you're amazing, bro. Like, I'm blown away by your artwork right now. Like, this is unreal. Look at this little thing he did. Is that you? Do you work for, like, the movies? Do they make you do stuff? I mean, do you get commissioned to make stuff? Not, like... It's pretty cool, man. Follow this guy, man. This is pretty awesome, this stuff right here that he's doing. I like this, man. At MinesIFX. I'm going to follow him as well. And follow me on Instagram, man. I'd appreciate it. Haven't been posting that much recently, but I got 1,200 followers. Follow me on Instagram, man. Follow me on Instagram. Check me out. Learn a little bit more about me. Thank you to everyone here. Can we get 200 likes? 3 more likes and we get to 200. Why not? Why not just push it? 3 more people, just hit that like button. Yo, Sam, can you take a look at your top 3 coins you love the most? Matic, Fantom, and VeChain. Is the bull market over or just pause till fall, lifer? 201 likes, man. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. Yo, Sam, can you take a look at your top 3? All right, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you guys on the next live stream at 9:30 tomorrow morning. So thank you guys so much for sharing your most precious asset with me. Thank you for all the super chats. Even in these hard times, I really appreciate it, guys. It means the world to me. Crypto is life. We're going to say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life at the end of every stream. I think we forgot yesterday, which is kind of, not forgot, but like I kind of moved on and then quick and then, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Much respect to everyone that super chatted me. 85.91, man. Even in these hard times, I appreciate it. I streamed for 2 hours. So that was about, what, 40 bucks an hour? I really appreciate it, man. You guys rock me out. I appreciate that. Not into skulls, too stereotype, but the skill is there, bro. Just try my life, then that death look. Crypto was life, brothers, man. Cool, man. Shout out to Altruism first. Shout out to everyone here, man. And if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. And videos out later on today. I'm going to just reshoot this video right now. I'm just going to get into it. And thank you guys so much for being here. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Have a great day. Be safe. Take care. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. 8,000, baby. On our way to 10K. We'll be there soon. Crypto is life.